गाइस एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो के आप अपने हेड यूनिट में डेवलपर मोड कैसे ऑन कर सकते हैं। इसके लिए आपने जाना है डेवलपर मोड में। आपको कुछ ऑप्शंस मिल जाते हैं जो कि यूज़फुल आपके लिए हो सकते हैं। मे बी गो टू द सेटिंग एंड देन सिस्टम एंड देन go down and down until the end, and you will find this detail information. And this is just like Android menu you often see in the Android mobile phone. You need to click on the about device, and here you have all the details. And now the build number, just like in Android mobile, you need to tap on the build number multiple time, like I'm doing it now. See, 3 step, 2 step, 1 step. Now it says please enter a passcode. Basically the passcode is the certain sequence of these 4 options. So is it 1 4 2 3? See, you are now a developer. So what this sequence is, I know this is strange, but how this how it is. So 1 is the model number. You can see this 1 2 3 and 4. So the code is 1 4 3 2 2 3. 1 is model number, the 4 and the 4 number is kernel version, and the 2 number is Android version and baseband version. This is some kind of sequence you can assume. So now you are now a developer. Now you can go back and see this option is now available for you. So here you see you have more option, USB debugging, okay, and then many other option you can use, short touches, pointer location, and then a lot of. If you want to speed up your this head unit, you can just turn off these animation. Your unit will be more faster, because it will not, the animation will not happen, it will more faster. Now see, it's now more faster than before. So that's how you can just turn on the developer mode. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell so you can get the update when I release a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.